Welcome back to Everyday Kentucky. We are continuing our Truck Talk series with H&A Law with John Hollan. So we are in the middle of holiday season. That means more packages, more Amazon, more FedEx, all the things. Let's talk about knowing these vehicles on the road, staying safe, and all of that.
Yeah, so we've talked about Amazon on here before, and you and I recently spoke about some of our own shopping and Cyber Monday. But what folks don't realize is that Amazon has very quickly become one of, if not the highest volume shippers in the world. They have passed FedEx, they have passed GPS, they will very soon pass the United States Postal Service for the volume of packages delivered each year. They have more than 400,000 drivers on the roads, and it is quickly becoming something that it's rapidly evolving. I'll give you an example. Have you ever been at your home and maybe nighttime or early morning, and there is just an unmarked car with a person not in a uniform parks, approaches your door really quickly, and you're wondering, what is this?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, so that's an example. You know, it's not just a Amazon tractor trailer or someone in an Amazon uniform anymore. They have so many different programs that they are trying to implement to meet that demand. They have so many packages, they're growing so fastly that it is really upending the commercial transportation system and changing everything across the board.
And that's what makes it important if something happens and we are involved in a crash with one of these Amazon drivers, unmarked or marked, they need to contact you to see what steps they need to take for all the details.
Yeah, it's critical. One of the conversations that we have had more and more in our office the past several months as we've handled more of these cases is how many times in Kentucky, other states, day in, day out, are accidents happening with an Amazon driver involved and the public never knows. You know, again, it's vehicles that aren't marked, they aren't in uniform, and it's growing so fast, we fear that safety is not keeping up with the growth. We're seeing drivers that otherwise would not be placed behind the wheel for a standard transportation company. It is effectively operated off of an app, a cell phone app. They are very demanding on the drivers. I would, advise the general public just to take a look at some Reddit forums or some of the investigative reports that have been done on these drivers. They're not allowed to use the bathroom. If they get 2 to 3 seconds behind on a delivery, they're being flagged. It's a system that benefits us all, but at what cost? It's growing so fast that we fear the dangers that it's going to continue leading to.
And sometimes when people are in such a rush, mistakes happen, accidents happen.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, accidents happen each and every day, but when a system is being put into place deliberately, that's not an accident. That's cause and effect. And yes, it's luxurious. Yes, we enjoy having Amazon, but we have significant concerns as to the manner it's being implemented and the way it's going to continue impacting Kentuckians.
And if someone during this holiday season gets involved in a crash with an Amazon, unmarked or marked, how do they get a contact with you in your office?
Yeah, so our office, our main office is here in Lexington. We are also located in Louisville. We can be contacted anytime, 859-888-8000. We handle cases all across Kentucky and in some other states as well. And I would advise anyone, more interested in this or, just wanting to study more on it, whether you've been in a crash or not, we have a ton of resources, articles, case studies on our website, and that's www.semijustice.com.
Thank you, John, for these Truck Talks.
Thank you.